Summertime Sneezes by Dr. Rebecca Reynolds. This book was written by me, Dr. Rebecca Reynolds, and dedicated to my granddaughter Sophia. Summertime sneezes, just let go. Summertime sneezes, let it flow. Run, summertime sneezes in the air. Summertime sneezes everywhere.
Summertime sneezes, burn your nose.
Go away, summertime sneezes, please depart. Summertime sneezes, please disappear. Summertime sneezes, don't you come near. This book is brought to you by Reynolds Provisions. Together we can provide every child, family, and educators with an education and an educational environment that incorporates current environmental factors of their immediate surroundings to be and remain safe now and in the future, including education and services that include the creation of safety for the environmental factors of weather patterns, expected seismic activity, crime statistics, home-stemmed violence, food insecurities, and survival skills.